Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Michelle. So today I am doing a plan with me using my Nash Printwork kit, monthly kit, and here's what it looks like. It's very pretty. So let's get jumping this and get started. So I'm gonna take this sticker. Oh no, probably. I wonder. Let's see. I've never used a monthly kit before. Have I? I might have. I don't remember. So we're going to... Oh, this would look really pretty in April with the purple popping off at the top. But we're going to make this work. So we have... Oh, I guess I could have... Not good. Not gonna work. So I guess I could have put this like this, maybe. We'll see how it fits for this side. And that is perfect. So that works. Gonna take this. Gonna put it here. Gonna take the two smaller purple ones. I'm gonna take this header and put it between these two to fully cover that up. Now I think this goes here. To cover that up. And I'm gonna use this blue box to cover this one up. And we're gonna put, I love these colors. You would think I would use my tweezers. No, we don't do that here. Oh, let me... No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna put these numbers down. So what have you guys been doing during this quarantine? Hope you guys have been doing well. and keeping together, because I know that it has been really rough for some of us. Like, I'm a full-on extrovert, and May is is normally a month like where I do a lot of different things and activities, and I have not really done anything. I like I just feel like I need to do something, and I don't like going out a whole lot just because I don't want to take that risk. Even though, like, I have masks and gloves and hand sanitizer and all of that other good stuff, I don't want to take that risk to go out. Plus, the children that I'm responsible for are 7 and 4, so I honestly don't want to, like, have them out, or like not have them out because they would stay home anyway, but I don't want to risk them possibly getting sick. So it's best to just stay in the house. And plus, like, working still full-time and trying to do school with the kids full-time, study for my licenses, and like, yes, I don't have to worry about that commute time anymore, so that has given me extra time to kind of do things that I would like to do. But when I tell you, I didn't realize I would like to be out the house as much, and I don't work from home often, even though I could have already done it, because if everybody don't have the option, it's not fair. So I try not to do that. But so here is the parts of the kit that I'm using, only because, well, I will switch this up a little bit. So yeah, this is the only parts of the kit that I'm using, and it turned out very pretty. I really like this kit. I'm going to put May on here really fast. Let me see. Pull out my handy dandy dates and holidays, and let's see if I can find a big May. I like one a little bigger. Let me see if I can find my journaling sticker book. There we go. It was right in my face. If it was a murder hornet, it would have bit me. Okay, I like this May. It's pretty. It's a pretty decent size. Let's see. Is that my May that I use? Oh yeah, nope, I can't use that May. Never mind. So let's go back here. I know you guys are like, "Woo, child, pick something." Okay. This May is a really pretty color. I'm gonna put it right. I wish it was bigger, but it does the job. So here is my finished look. I really like it. I think it's very pretty. The colors are very gorgeous. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.